Good morning, students. Today we will you all have learned sentence analysis so far. Means the about the chapter everything is provided in your study material. On the previous week I did provide. So I hope all of you have definitely gone through all those lines and you all have understood by this time so far. So today, as I already told, today we will be doing some joining because this for this particular task only we were learning that thing. That's why today 10 exercise means 10 sentences you will get in your exercise 1, and I first of all you need to try to solve them, then you can check out the solution provided here. So what is the instruction? The instruction is you need to join the following sentences to make one complete sentence without using and, but or so. You cannot use and, but or so. Okay, without using these three words you need to join these sentences. Okay, and obviously you cannot change their meaning. So in keeping this particular instruction within your mind carefully, you need to change these 10 sentences. Now often I find many children, they do not read the instruction, they join with and, but or so. In that case they get simply 0. So what you need to do, you need to obviously keep the instruction within your mind and you need to do the joining carefully. So here you get 10 sentences and you need to pause the video right here and try to solve these 10 sentences, and then you need to come back to listen to the discussion where I will be discussing the solutions. So you must do that. Okay, so the first sentence is Meena gave me a cake. I was unable to eat it. Okay, so here we find that eat, this particular thing eat, it is actually the cake. Okay, so and you need to keep this certain things within your mind, that which thing is used twice, so that you, and that will help you to join the sentence. So what can be the solution? I was unable to eat the cake which Meena gave me. Okay, it will be the solution. Now you can use which in a different manner also, but you need to keep the thing within your mind. It must follow the structure as well as it must follow the instruction. Now next sentence is Mehuli helped Mehul, he will always be grateful. Okay, so the solution will be Mehuli will always be grateful for Mehuli's help. Okay, Mehul will always be grateful for Mehuli's help. Next is number 3. I heard you lost your father. I am very sorry. Okay, so these two sentences will be joined. I am very sorry to hear that you lost your father. Number 4. Number 4 is the streets were flooded, but Kusum reached the station on time. So here the sentence will be, although the streets were flooded, Kusum reached the station on time. You need to, here you have used the word although and you have changed the sentence. Instead of although you can use though also, or you can use in spite of. Okay, now next one is number 5. The snowfall was heavy, the cars moved slowly. Okay, so as the snowfall was heavy, the cars moved slowly. Okay, or the cars moved slowly as the snowfall was heavy. So here we get one instruction from the council that whenever you are joining the sentences with as, try to use them in the middle. So that's why I kept it like this. Means when I did the changes, I did it intentionally so that I can do it live. Okay, and you all can understand. Okay, so for that reason it was given like that. And I hope here, as I did the change right now while making this video, I hope you all will definitely not forget this. So the cars moved slowly as the snowfall was heavy. So it is an instruction where while attending the workshop, we got the instruction from the resource person that you means whenever you are joining the sentence with as, you try, or because, you try to, or for, you try to use them in the middle of the sentence. So the cars moved slowly as the snowfall was heavy. Okay, then number 6, number 6 is I was eating chocolates, she kept on staring. So the changes will be while I was eating chocolates, she kept on staring, comma, she kept on staring. So here you need to keep one thing within your mind very carefully. In when I will be doing the chapter transformation of sentences, that time also it will be highlighted in a more specific manner. But here also you need to keep certain things within your mind. A comma matters a lot in case of joining or transformation. Okay, your marks depends on that. So be very much aware about punctuation marks. Okay, so while I was eating chocolates, comma, she kept on staring. Okay, if you do not put comma in its actual place, your marks will be deducted. So be very much cautious about this particular, very much conscious about this particular punctuation part. Okay, then number 7 is Sudha lost her leg in an accident, she kept on dancing. Okay, so number 7 is in spite of losing her leg in an accident, Sudha kept on dancing. Or it can be used although Sudha lost her leg in an accident, she kept on dancing. You must note punctuation, comma. Okay, despite losing her leg in an accident, comma, Sudha kept on dancing. So many children, they use of after despite. So children, you must remember when you are using in spite, there you need to use of. Okay, but when it's a collaboration preposition, but when you are using despite, you need not to use of. And this is the difference between in spite of and despite. Okay, so despite losing her leg in an accident, Sudha kept on dancing. Now number 8 is Nita taught chemistry, full stop, she had to conduct experiments. So Nita had to conduct experiments as she taught chemistry. Okay, here as already it is done, already I have done, because first sentence as I have used live here, so that you all must remember that. Okay, and another way to change this is since Nita taught chemistry, she had to conduct experiments. Now number 9, Jack bought a bracelet, it was Jill's birthday. Okay, so Jack bought a bracelet for Jill's birthday. Number 10 is Smriti listened to my request, she took action immediately. So after listening to my request, Smriti took action immediately. This can be one possible answer. Another one also can be listening to my request, Smriti took action, comma, Smriti took action immediately. So in this way you all can change, means you all can join all these sentences. So I hope you all have understood the joining part. Okay, and you all have tried definitely to do this task by your own self. So next day again we will be learning more 10 sentences, and thus we will complete this particular chapter. So this much for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.